ratio and proportion. What we have been given that A is to B is equal to 2 is to 2 by 9 is to 1 by 3. B is to C is equal to 2 by 7 is to 5 by 14. And D is to C is equal to 7 by 10 is to 3 by 5. Then we have to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. It's a series of ratios. A is related to B, B is related to C, and D is related to C, means C is related to D, and we have to find out the relationship between all four of them. We'll start by first thing. The first thing that we have with us is A is to B is equal to 2 by 9 is to 1 by 3. Now you see that this is denominator 9 and this denominator is 3, and this is 2 and this is 1. So easiest thing we can do is to convert this 3 into 9. Okay, so what we can do is it is equal to 2 by 9 is 2. Now to make 3 as 9, we have to multiply it with 3. Okay, here we need to multiply this denominator with 3. So same thing we have to do with the numerator. So 1 by 3 would become 3 by 9. And by doing so, we'll get A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Because now denominator is common, so we can eliminate it, and final result is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay, you can call it number 1. Now next thing is what? B is to C, which is given as 2 by 7 is to 5 by 14. Again here it is easy to convert this 7 into 14 by just multiplying it with 2. So this would become 14 when we multiplied this with 2, and same thing we have to do here also. So 2 by 7 actually is 4 by 14 is to 5 by 14. So ultimately it would become 4 is to 5. So B is to C is what? 4 is to 5. But we need to find out B is to C is that we have got here. B is to C is equal to 5 by 5 is to 4. But we have to make this B as 3. So we have to ultimately we have to relate all these 4. So by just finding A is to B, that is 2 is to 3. Now B is to C is equal to 4 by 5. But we have to make a connection between these two also. Here B is as good as 3, but here B is as good as 4. That is not acceptable. So we have to make it something that can be turned into 3. So how can it be 3? It can only be 3 by multiplying it with 3 by 4. So same thing we have to do with this term also. 4 into 3 by 4, because 4 now will get cancelled, and ultimately we will get B is to 3. B is related to 3. So finally we will get what? Finally we will get 3. Here we will get 3, and what he will get here? We will get here 15 by 4. So B is to C is related as 3 is to 15 by 4. Why we did so? Because here b is equal to 3 and here b is equal to 4, means related as 3 and here it is related as 4. So we have to make this as the last terms relation, that is 3. And for making 4 as equal to 3, we have to multiply it with 3 by 4. Okay. Therefore, we multiplied these two with 3 by 4, 3 by 4. And by doing so, we got B related to 3 and now C related to 15 by 4. Another thing, we'll call it number 2. Next thing is given D is to C is equal to 7 by 10 is to 1 by 3. We'll change the order. C is to D. We'll make it C is to D and it will become 1 is to 3 is to 1 by 3 is to 7 by 10. Okay. What we need to do is we have to make this 3 because now, sorry, we have to make this 15 by 4 because we have to relate it with this term. So 1 to make 1 by 3 as 15 by 4, what you need to do is 1 by 3, you have to do some multiplication to make it 15 by 4. How will you get how will you get 15 by 4? 15 by 4 is got by 15 by 4. So you need 15 by 4 as your C and you have been given 1 by 3. So 4 you need and here you will have to make it 40 by 4, 45 by 4 because ultimately when this 3 will be factorized by this 45, so it will become 15 by 4. Same way you have to do is 40 by 5, 45 by 4. So now you have got this 15 by 4 and here you got what? You got 7 into 45 by 10 into 4. Let us simplify this. 5's table will be applied 2 times, 9 times. So it will become 63 by 4.